Hi, my name is Catherine Hartwig, and my website is A Day in the Life of a D1 Athlete. However, I will be examining another classmate's website, so I chose this one. It's How to Start Your Own Business and Beads by Belle. So as we scroll down on this website, I really like that she included a picture of her products, and clearly this is going to be a website that sells jewelry, talks about her experience selling jewelry, her experience about creating her own business. So I like that she includes pictures, and as you scroll down a little bit more, you can see even more pictures of maybe her customers wearing her products by themselves, her wearing her products. And then as we scroll a little bit more, we can see a brief introduction about what the website will be about as a whole. So that's really nice because it gives the viewer a brief introduction about what they can find on her page. So as we scroll back to the top, we can see that everything is labeled very organized. So she has a home page, a blog page, an about page, and a contact us page. So let's go to the blog page and see what that's about. So as we scroll down, she has a nice header right here. And then we see pictures of her jewelry that she makes. And she says, like, this is my favorite one. I really like that she puts her own opinion in on it, what her customers really like. And then we can scroll down. I like that she includes where she gets her images from, includes her Instagram. And then she has all of her blogs here, which are labeled very organized. Has the date, who it's by. She has a good amount. I also like that she puts tags about what month each of the blogs were written by, and I like that you can subscribe to her blog and maybe like it. So scrolling back to the top, we're going to click the About tab. So I really like that this About tab has a picture of Belle herself. And I also like that it has a brief introduction. Maybe one more thing I would add is maybe her name right under the picture. That way it stands out a little bit more. And maybe that Instagram account, like, include the link or something like that. Going to now the the Contact Us tab. So I like that she includes her email. Here she includes her Instagram. Maybe she could include that in the About Us tab. I like that you can send her a message. One other thing that maybe I would add to this website is a Pictures tab, and in this Pictures tab, she could have a link to her Etsy if she has one, or her Instagram, maybe a general price range. I feel like that would be good for viewers to know maybe about her website. Overall, I think that Belle did a really great job making her website. It's very organized, straightforward, has a lot of information, and I can't wait to see where her website keeps going.